everyone, welcome back. If you see a message saying that the Lloyds app is temporarily unavailable, it is often due to system maintenance or server issue. First, wait a few minutes and then try again. Check that your internet connection to ensure that it is stable. After that, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the app, swipe the app completely away, wait for a few while, and then reopen it. After that, restart your phone to refresh your connection. Then head over to your app store, search for the Lloyds app, and then make sure that you've updated your app to the latest version. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so always update it. If the issue continues for an extended period, try logging into the Lloyds online banking using a web browser or contact Lloyds support for further assistance, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.